Hey, what's up guys? High Tech City here, and I just got this in the mail today, and I think this is the lightning cable that was sent by Anker. So I'll open this to show you what's inside, so let's get started. Okay, so I ripped the package open, and inside there's a small receipt saying on my order of the braided tangle-free Lightning to USB cable from Anker. So inside we have the Anker product itself, nylon USB cable with Lightning connector. So I'll unbox this for you guys. So going around the box itself, on the front you can see that it says nylon USB cable with Lightning connector, sync and charge with speed and style. There's the Anker branding, Anker Power Your Mobile Life for iPod, iPhone and iPad. The newer ones, because the older ones obviously have 30-pin connectors. On the bottom we have the tear to open eco-friendly welcome guide. On the sides we have nothing except the barcode. And on the back, not much, just the details about what this product is made for and the barcode and the model number. So I'll tear this open. Okay, there, that just comes off. And I open here, and we are greeted by the cable itself. I'll set that aside for now. It says happy ? And thanks for choosing Anker. Nothing else. So I think this is the user manual, or actually additional information, because you don't need a user manual for a cable. So looking at the front cover of the box, on the inside, there's actually additional information. So it says customer service, so you actually have a 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason. Maybe you just changed your mind and you don't want the cable anymore, you have the 30-day money-back guarantee. And you have an 18-month warranty, that's 1.5 years. Lifetime user support, so you can contact Anker whenever you need their help. And just good information about the reputation of Anker. Top rated, bestseller, and premium warranty. And here's the product itself. This just comes off, Anker branding. And there's the serial number. And you can see that the cable itself is actually braided in these black and gray threads. And it looks very nice at first look. I think this helps with the looks, because it looks pretty attractive. As well as the build quality, because I found that braided cables tend to last longer than rubber or plastic cables. So you can see on the ends, you have Anker branding and the USB sign. I would have appreciated if this was gold plated, because gold plated jacks have faster data transport speeds. And I believe this cable is 1.8 meters long. Yeah, 1.8 meters long. So it's a very nice long cable. And I think it's the same thickness as the original Lightning cable from Apple. So yeah, looks very nice. And I think this will hold up much better than the Lightning cable from Apple itself. And they definitely do look nicer than the original ones. Now to show you guys how well the cable fits into the iPad while it's in a case, I'm gonna put my case in this Urban Army Gear Scout Folio case for the iPad. Okay, so I put my iPad in the case, and here's the cable itself. I'm gonna try to put it in there. And it just fits in fine, because the cable is actually the same size as same width and same height almost as the original Lightning cable, so there's no problems fitting this cable into the iPad. So comparing the original Apple Lightning cable to the Anker cable, you can see that the Anker cable is actually slightly shorter, so that's something to consider. And comparing the actual Lightning ports, the Anker one is slightly, ever so slightly wider on the sides. But I wouldn't say this is much of a problem since they're about the same anyways, and the Anker cable will have no problem fitting into most cases. So comparing the actual USB ports of the Anker Lightning cable to the Apple Lightning cable, there's virtually no difference in size. But I have to say that the Anker one looks slightly sharper because it's black and gives that nice masculine look, which is what I prefer. And it looks more professional, in my opinion. Now to talk more about the build quality of this cable, you can see that the cable is actually very flexible, and it actually stays in its position very well when it's bent, which is something that the Apple Lightning cable doesn't provide. And it's very nice when you're, let's say you're sitting on your desk and you're reaching this from the wall and it needs to go around the corner, it'll stay in its position like that. So that's a nice feature. And also I have to say that the ends of this cable are made of metal. I can feel it. It's made of aluminum, according to the sheet that was provided in the shipment. So I would assume that this cable will last longer than the Apple Lightning cable, although my Apple one is holding up very well as well. In conclusion, I would actually say that this cable is much better than the original Apple Lightning cable just because it provides that nicer build quality as well as nicer design. And it works just as well as the Apple Lightning cable. Okay guys, so that was my review of the Apple certified Anker 0.9 meter nylon braided tangle-free Lightning to USB cable. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out. I was supplied a sample of this cable for test and evaluation, and I promise that my review is fair and honest.